What's up, superstars? If you saw the Northern Lights last week, you would have witnessed such an incredible event on Earth that you normally would have to travel way up north to see. And also if you're lucky. We were inspired by all the beautiful colors that we actually wanted to go ahead and make this into a printable DTF shirt. With the help of Midjourney AI, we were actually able to generate this type of graphic with this prompt. The Aurora Borealis with spectacular colors dawn upon a singular figure with majestic mountain lines. I think they nailed it down pretty well. What do you guys think? This was also our favorite version, so what we're gonna do is actually take this image and transform it to a wearable, breathable DTF t-shirt design. The current image is super detailed, but it's also heavy, and it's an all-around print, so although it looks nice, it won't feel as desirable as you would get when you do a black knockout alongside with proper halftone. So follow alongside as we break this down for you. If you want to follow along on the tutorial and use this artwork, guess what? It's now available in the description below. And yes, we are also giving away this sample shirt to a random winner, so watch till the end to see how we're giving this away.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to create this artwork using a black knockout. And you can see it looks pretty good and pretty awesome, but it's still a bit pixelated, of course, since its size is 20 inches in height and its resolution is 72 dpi. The first thing we want to do is upscale this image using the upscale tool. We'll have a link to this app in the description. So now after you drag your file here, you just have to press upscale and then wait for it to finish upscaling. All right, now that it's done, it will show you a side-by-side comparison, but of course it's too small to see clearly. Let's try to open this new one as a new artwork. So as you can notice, a lot of the grains, small grains, are now gone. It has become really smooth and looks pretty good. So let's just close this old one. And let's change the size to 15 inches and resize the resolution to 300 dpi. Press OK. Then let's make a duplicate of this layer by pressing Ctrl-J or right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Next, we'll need to right-click, select Duplicate, and then here click on Document Type and press OK. It'll take you to a different document, and in this copy layer that we have, we are going to be turning this one into grayscale. And now that it's in grayscale, let's just go to Adjustments and play with the curves a little bit, making sure that we still have a lot of the details that we want. Press OK. Then go to Image, Adjustments again, and let's go to Levels. So in this part right here, we have to keep as many details as we want. All these black areas are going to be knocked out, and the white areas are the ones that will stay. The gray areas in between are the ones that will be half-toned. So it's really a case-by-case basis. We can't have a fixed number for each image. We'll just have to try out a couple of things every time. But for me, this looks good. Now let's make sure it's set to 300 pixels per inch. Ensure that halftone screen is selected. Press OK, stick with 35 for frequency and set the angle to 22. Choose round for the shape, then press OK. Now that it's done, let's Ctrl-C to copy everything, then go back to our old document and simply make a mask here. And then Alt left click and it'll take you to the layer mask. It should look like this, all white. Let's paste the one that we copied from the other document here. Now that it's here, press Ctrl-D to deselect and then open. Just click on the visibility layer. Now it should look like this. It might look awkward, but if you add some background to it, it'll look like this. So let's say that the black background is the shirt. It'll still look pretty good. And this way we are going to keep it breathable and the gradients are still intact. And the last step that we'd like to do is go to Filter, Other, and then Minimum. Let's keep the minimum to 0.5 and press OK. Let's just remove the black background, and now we have to save this layer. Now that our artwork is done, let's test it out.
All right, everyone, we're completed the printing of the artwork, but before we begin, if you need a reliable DTF supplier or not completely satisfied with your current one, check us out. Our link is right there in the description. We specialize in creating custom DTF transfers for clothing and UV stickers for hard surfaces. Our goal is to provide dependable service, top-notch quality, fast delivery, and a wide range of vibrant colors. All right, well, let's check out this print. So for the first graphic, this is without the knockout and the halftone, so just want to do another good close-up. And really, as you could tell, there's not a lot what we could really take out. So thinking that, it's like, what can we really do? And in that sense, we actually did a lot. As you could tell, we took a lot. Even the character himself, we took a lot of the dark and the black out to make this very, very breathable. And I'm just gonna turn this around just so you guys could have a better look at it too as well. I think this is gonna come out really, really well. All right, let's check it out. Let's first get into the blank shirt that we're gonna be using. For our blank tees, we have a US blank side seam medium black short sleeve crew t-shirt. The model number we'll be using is a US 2000. The shirt comes in an extra small all the way to a 3XL. It is a relaxed retail fashion fit. And if you're considering buying blanks made in the US, I'll drop a link down below if you guys want to check them out. All right, now let's get on to the pressing. So since we are using a regular 15 by 15 heat press, just so we could align this properly, we are going to align it on the table first with our aligning tool. We're gonna just try to get to the midpoint. All right, let's put some heat resistant tape on this and we'll get to pressing. And what I put underneath was this actual cushion of this heat press. So it's actually the perfect size of the 15 by 15. So it makes it a lot easier for me to just place the shirt in here without having to worry to align it. And it's just now just making sure everything is in its place. All right, and what we're gonna press it is 300 degrees. This is gonna be 40 pounds or more pressure, as well as a 7-second press. So our peel is a hot and cold peel. We do recommend you do wait 15 seconds for this, but you could definitely just right away peel. Okay, now what we are going to do is press it a second time. All right, let's take a look on it. All right, this is how it came out. Let's take a closer look. Okay, a lot of halftone effects. The cutout came out clean. Yeah, this came out great. Definitely a great shirt. So real quick before we go into the end, I just want to take notice the difference between you get something from this and how solid this is how breathable this is and how back it could come back. With the lack of image, and to make the halftones and everything, it makes it more breathable, makes it where you're able to do that and not have to worry about the image kind of coming and crumpled. Because when you crumple this, it's not going to look as breathable as you would think. There you have it, superstars. This is how you do a black knockout with proper halftones. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And keep in mind, if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just in need of a better one, come give us a shot and check us out. Our link is in the description below. And yes, I promised one lucky winner this shirt, so please head over to the comments down below and tell us what you guys like most about DTF and where you guys are from. We'll pick one lucky random winner in a few weeks. This is me signing off, but before I go, I want to let you guys know your support does mean the world to us. Please bookmark for future reference. I hope this levels up your DTF gang. Please like and subscribe, guys, and you guys have a great one.